Today I will guide you how to fix Instagram story like option not showing problem. So if you are also facing the same issue, then you need to follow this step till the end. The first thing first, you need to go to the Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device. Here you need to search the Instagram application. Once you search, if you have the update button here right side of the Instagram, that means your application has not been updated to the latest version. So in order to update, you need to tap on this update button and update the app and make it to the latest version. If you have the open option instead of update, then that means that your app has already been up to date. So following this, if your issue has not been yet solved, then the next thing what you need to do is you need to check the internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, because sometimes internet connection also might cause the problem for that issue. The next thing is you need to go to the settings and scroll down, tap on apps. On the top, tap on the app management. Here on the list of these apps, you need to search for Instagram. Open the app info page of Instagram and now tap on storage users. Here you can see the cache option. Simply tap on clear cache, and once you have done that, your issue will be definitely solved. If not, then you need to reinstall the application. For that, you need to tap on hold the app, and here is the dustbin or the trash button. Simply tap on it, and here you can find out the uninstall button. Tap on uninstall, and again you can reinstall it from the Play Store. Following this all step, you can easily fix the issue of Instagram story like option not showing problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any issues. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.